Yeah, man.
You're gonna need burger bun. Hello, sorry. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you jerk chicken sandwich. Alright, so you're gonna need some jerk sauce, about 4 tablespoons of jerk sauce, or 2 tablespoons of jerk sauce, burger bun, cheese, lettuce, ketchup, and mayonnaise, or you can use my special Miquels jerk chicken dipping sauce. Alright, so first, prepare the vegetables by rinsing and washing under running water. So first, remove lettuce root, add some salt or white vinegar, and just wash it properly. Look between the leaves for dirt and worm. So take each leaf and use your finger and clean between the leaves. Make sure it's cleaned properly. Alright, so once you do that, just put this aside for later. Alright, now we're gonna make Miquels jerk chicken dipping sauce. So visit Jamaica Dinners for the exact ingredients.com. 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, jerk sauce. You need a tablespoon of jerk sauce. Alright. Next, the pepper. Alright, now look, listen. You can make this jerk sauce mild to as spicy as you want it. So if you want it very, very spicy, you can add the pepper's seed to the sauce. But now, just cut off however much pepper you want and dice it fine. Fine, fine, fine. And add it to the sauce. The pepper made my hands hot. So if I rub my eyes right now or touch anything, it's going to burn it. So I have to wash my hands properly. Alright, next, grate the onion, a quarter piece of an onion to puree. If you don't want to do it this way, just add a teaspoon of onion powder. Garlic, 1 garlic clove. Just grind it down to pulp. Next, add a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of dried parsley and half a teaspoon of dried basil, fresh herbs. Next, add half a teaspoon of sugar. Now, just stir the ingredients in thoroughly. Alright, so that's what you want. This is the sauce. This sauce is a very interesting sauce. It's nice. You can use it on the jerk chicken sandwich, and it's made for taco jerk chicken. Alright, so once you do that, put the sauce aside for later. Alright, for jerk chicken sandwich, you just take the chicken breast, wash it off with some water and white vinegar, and throw the water off. And just put it aside for later. Alright, now put to heat saucepan. Put your soap's gauge on 2 low, and then you add. Alright, now for jerk chicken sandwich, you just add the chicken breast. Put to heat a saucepan or a frying pan or pot. Let's use. Add 2 tablespoons of jerk sauce. Okay people, I'm doing 2 in 1. This is jerk chicken and taco jerk chicken. So if whatever video you're watching, just go visit and see the other video. Alright, so once you do that, you just stir in the jerk sauce. Remember now, I didn't add oil. Leave the pot open within the time and just stir fry. Oh no, you're not going to leave the pot open with the time, sorry. I'm cutting the part out. Once you stir the jerk sauce in properly, just cover it and allow. Alright, so this is my tray. This is really a pizza tray, but I'm gonna place the jerk chicken pieces on the tray. Alright, it's been between 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So you just stir it in, stir it in. This is a pre-cook before baking or jerking. Well, it's baking because you have to bake it in small pieces. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. Just gonna add a little bit more jerk sauce. So you can use between 3 tablespoons of jerk sauce if you were doing just the sandwich alone. For 1 chicken breast. Alright, so after you do that, you just cover it and allow. Alright, preheat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. About 5 minutes before baking. Alright, it's been 4 minutes. Simmering on low. So you just stir it in properly, thoroughly. And the chicken breast for the sandwich, if you wanna, if it's 1 big fat chicken breast, you just cut it in half, 3/4 way, and then flip it, and then just fold it over. The stove's gauge is on 2, and that's within 4 minutes. Alright, now you just take the jerk chicken that you've been simmering and just place it on your baking tray, like as you see me doing. Pour some of the jerk sauce over the chicken. You're gonna baste the chicken again, so keep your sauce. best if you take it off the oven because it's going to dry out because the oven is going to get hot. And then place it in the oven. Alright, so you just put it on the rack one below the middle. Just cover it, keep the oven closed within the time, and put your timer for 20 minutes. minutes. Alright, after 7 minutes, you just take the chicken out and baste it with more jerk sauce. This is what it looks like after 7 minutes. So you just rotate the chicken pieces, flip the chicken breast on the other side for the sandwich, and baste with jerk sauce, and then put it back in the oven. Alright, after the 20 minutes, you take turn the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake it for an additional 5 minutes. Alright, after the time, just remove your jerk chicken from the oven. Tender and nice, ready to be eaten. So this is my jerk chicken patty. Alright, now I'm going to dress our jerk chicken sandwich. So you just get a bun. This is raisin bread. You can use burger bun, but this is a raisin bread. I just cut it in half. Voila. There you go. Burger bun. So you add mayonnaise. Look, people, after I ate this sandwich, I just realized that if I had used the Miquels jerk chicken dipping sauce, it would have been awesome. So you can use the jerk chicken dipping sauce for just the topping, and then lettuce and tomato and cheese, and then you're good to go. Or you can use mayonnaise. Alright, that was a jerk chicken patty. So you just put all wet ingredients on one side of the bun, mayonnaise and ketchup, and then you place or lay the sliced tomato on top of the wet ingredients so it stays together. Jerk sauce have all the seasoning, onion and all them other stuff in it already, so I don't want any onion on this sandwich. So you take your lettuce, make sure lettuce leaves are dried, and then you lay them on top the tomato, and then the jerk chicken patty on top the lettuce. See, I told you put all wet ingredients on the bottom. I forgot the ketchup. And then you just put the other side of the bun on top. Alright, so this is jerk chicken sandwich. Different. It's not new. I'm sure people doing it, but this is my idea. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the ingredients. Alright, let's taste this thing. So you just take a grab of your jerk chicken sandwich. You can obviously see that that's jerk chicken patty. It's nice, it's good, it's different. Alright, people. After I ate this sandwich, I really said I should have put the jerk chicken dipping sauce. Number one, it probably would have looked better on the picture. And two, it would have tasted original. It would have tasted like real jerk chicken sandwich. So for you, use the Miquels jerk chicken dipping sauce for the topping. If you don't, just make it. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the ingredients.
Yeah, man!